Good day, everyone. I am Mariela Mambak from Parallel B Project Term Group 2. For this presentation, I will discuss my assigned part in our social marketing plan, which focuses on the Sustainable Development Goal and the social problem. Our campaign is titled Joke Lang or Jokes Online Knows Equality, Limits, and Gender Respect, challenging the normalization of sexist and misogynistic content in digital spaces. It is anchored on Sustainable Development Goal 5 or the gender equality, and it addresses the normalization and sexist and misogynistic content in digital spaces. To avoid overlapping with other parts of our group presentation, my discussion will focus only on the foundation of the campaign. I will discuss SDG 5 and the social problem, why this issue matters in digital spaces, and how it relates to gender equality. Our campaign is anchored on the SDG 5, which focuses on the gender equality. This goal calls for ending discrimination and violence against women and girls and promoting their equal participation in society. In our plan, we emphasize that gender equality is not limited to physical spaces, schools, workplaces, or institutions. It must also be applied to digital spaces because online platforms are now part of everyday social interaction. Digital spaces matter because they are no longer just tools for entertainment or information sharing. They are social spaces where people communicate, express opinions, form communities, and participate in public discourse. This is especially relevant among young people who are active in social media and online platforms. Since online communication influences beliefs and behavior, digital spaces can either reinforce harmful gender norms or help challenge them. The specific social problem identified in our plan is the normalization of sexist and misogynistic content in digital spaces. This includes sexist jokes, misogynistic memes, degrading comments, objectifying posts, gender insensitive humor, and other harmful expressions that are often treated as ordinary or acceptable. The issue is not only that these types of content exist online, but they are often tolerated, shared, laughed at, or dismissed as harmless. Normalization means that harmful forms of communication are no longer recognized as problematic. Sexist and misogynistic content may be dismissed as just a joke, ordinary banter, or harmless opinion. Because of this, gender-based disrespect becomes easier to ignore. And over time, repeated exposure to these messages can make people less sensitive to their harmful effects and may contribute to the belief that such content is already part of normal online culture. When disrespect becomes ordinary, harm becomes easier to ignore. This issue is directly connected to SDG 5 because it reinforces unequal gender norms. When sexist and misogynistic content is repeatedly tolerated, digital spaces become less safe, less respectful, and less inclusive, especially for women and girls. It can also discourage them from participating freely and confidently online. Therefore, this is not only an online communication issue, it is also a gender equality issue because digital disrespect can reproduce and strengthen real-world inequality. This is why the campaign Communicate with Respect is needed. The campaign responds to the need to challenge the everyday acceptance of sexist and misogynistic content in digital spaces. It promotes gender-responsive digital communication by encouraging users to become more conscious of what they post, like, share, or tolerate online. At its core, the campaign emphasizes that respectful communication is part of gender equality, and that safer digital spaces begin with more responsible online behavior. To conclude, our campaign is anchored on SDG 5 because gender equality must also be advanced in the digital spaces. The social problem we identified is the normalization of sexist and misogynistic content, which becomes harmful when it is treated as ordinary, humorous, or harmless. Since digital platforms influence how people communicate and how social norms are formed, challenging this normalization is an important step toward building safer, more respectful, and more inclusive online spaces. So that would be my presentation for the SDG and the social problem, which is the first part of our social marketing plan. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something about our introduction. Again, this is Mariel Lumambak from Parallel B, Project Term Group 2. Have a good day.